show you how to plant the avocado tree from seed. This is the seed that looks like when it comes out of the fruit. Okay, now we are going to peel off the skin. After peeling the skin, you will get something like this. It's okay when the little skins are left. This is the part where the plants come out, and this is the part where the root comes out. Now I show you how to plant the seed. Here I have a small pot and it is filled with black soil. Now let's plant the seed. As I told you before, this is the part where the root come out and this is the part where the shoot come out. So we can plant this like this. Take 1 inch, 3 inch deep hole. And now put the seed inside. Now cover it up. Now we have planted the seeds. Now let's pour water. Now we can add water to the plant. Avocado seeds love water. They need lots of water. Let me show you the growth process of avocado tree. This is the first stage of the avocado plant. This is, come closer. This is 1 week after planting the seed. You can see. Now let me show you how the plant looks like in 2 weeks. And this plant is 3 weeks old. This is a 5-week-old avocado plant. You can see that the leaves are bigger than the other ones. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.